Hey guys, it's Chris. A couple of weeks ago, we looked at a feature on our website called Shop Pay, and hopefully a lot of you are taking advantage of that. Again, it's a great way to pay in 4 easy installments on a braking system or something, a large purchase like that. So if you haven't checked out that video, definitely check it out, especially going into the holidays. It's valuable information to know. But today we're gonna be taking a look at bundles. And again, bundles is something we've had on our website for a little while now, but it's a great option to save some money, especially again, going into the holiday season. We've got Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming up. We've got Christmas coming up. And so these are another great way to just kind of save a little bit of extra money. You can choose any one of our bundles. We've got a number of options. We've got our RVi Brake Shadow bundle that's got that and our Tire Patrol with it. We've got a couple of different bundles involving the RVi Brake 3. So again, depending on what your needs are for your towed vehicle, it's a great option. So make sure you check out bundles on RVibrake.com. And in the meantime, guys, happy RVing.